was doing just fine before I met you. I drank too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down car in 4 years, no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of that mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older.
As good as the day I met you, I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay and play that Blink-182 song that we beat to death in Tucson. Okay, I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down cotton. 4 years, no call. Now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of that mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older.
Running for my life. I thought the devil was alive. What's a little loud? It feels so dark in the night. Stuck inside a thought. Dreaming about our souls. Oh, my eyes are on fire. Let's watch this world expire. Never got the hang of this. I still ain't got the hang of this. Getting faded like a dangle fish. Please, I couldn't hang with this. Right into the clouds, keep my left hand on the realm. Take off these blinders, I'm drunk off the side. Pushing my chin out like crimson, I might.